everyone, I'm Moitza. This is our Shanghai team. This is Jason, and today we're gonna show you around our Shanghai school.
Shanghai LTL is located at Huaihailu, which is old French concession. It is a place which combines the vibe of ancient Shanghai and new modern China. So it's a perfect place for us to master Chinese Mandarin.
This is our common area. Students hang out here during breaks, after class. They can study and take some snacks.
This is our book area. So our teacher and student can read some extra stuffs after lessons. And beside that, also we have many gifts from our former student. They left for us. So it's part of the knowledge and memories.
This is our kitchen. We have a water machine, coffee machine, some tea, microwave where you can heat up your lunch, as well as 2 fridges. So if you want to keep your drinks cold.
LTL Shanghai have 13 classrooms. Some of them are small room for one-on-one class. Some of the room are like this. It's a bigger room for group class.
We have plenty of lockers where you can store your backpacks and books. This is our memory wall. Here we've been collecting photos, postcards, and letters from our students since LTL Shanghai started. We also have our QR code where you can sign up for your student activities.
That is the school tour. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope to meet you soon in Shanghai.
Bye!
Bye.